How to cure a hangover quickly and naturally. 1. There are often occasions where we go out and consume a little too much alcohol. This may be sociable and fun, but often the consequences are felt in the morning. The awful feeling you get is known as a hangover. 2. As the alcohol begins to wear off, the liver flushes it out, leaving you with the usual feelings of headaches, nausea, dry mouth, sweating, hunger and dizziness. 3. The good news is that there are natural remedies which you can use to get rid of a hangover fast. Let's take a look at today's remedy. You will need 750 milliliters of water, 1 inch of sliced fresh ginger, 2 teaspoons of raw honey, 1/2 a teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 a teaspoon of pepper. Method: bring the water to the boil and add the thinly sliced ginger. Lower the heat and simmer for 10 minutes. Strain this through a sieve to remove the ginger pieces and then add the salt, honey and pepper. Stir well and drink. 4. The ginger helps to soothe the stomach and contains minerals which help to restore your electrolyte balance. The water will hydrate you and the honey will help your liver to burn off any remaining alcohol. The salt and pepper also boosts electrolytes and helps you to feel better much faster. 5. Continue to drink a lot of fresh water throughout the day, as a hangover usually involves a lot of dehydration. 6. When drinking in future, be sure to drink water throughout the night between alcohol. This may prevent you from having a hangover at all. 7. Alternatively, you can drink coconut water if you have some in your home. This quickly restores your electrolyte balance. 8. If you are hungry, avoid the fatty breakfast that your body may be craving. Instead, eat healthy carbohydrates to soothe the stomach. Bananas are excellent as they contain a lot of potassium, which brings your system back to normal. 9. You can also boil some cabbage and slowly sip the water for another fast-acting cure. This contains powerful nutrients which restore your stomach and body to full working order. 10. Always drink responsibly and avoid shots at all cost, as these cause rapid dehydration. If you do get roped into doing a little too much, be sure to drink 500 milliliters of water before sleeping to avoid a harsh hangover. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.